All of you open IEP textbook page number 9. In the last session we have discussed about the division of the fractions and multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Now see here the decimal numbers. What is the meaning of the decimal numbers? Let us see here. So what is the meaning of the decimal numbers? Before defining here, let us consider the fraction 1 by 2. If you multiply this fraction with 5 by 5, so here what you will get here into 5 divided by 5. So that you will get here 5 by 10. Here consider one more fraction, let us consider here 1 by 24. Suppose here if you want to write the decimal numbers as the multiples of 10, which number you need to multiply here? You need to multiply with 25 and divide by 25. So that what you are getting here 1 into 25 which is 25, 25 into 4 which is 100. So if you consider any fraction, you can convert that fraction as a decimal form. That means what is the meaning of decimal fraction? If the denominators is a multiples of 10, such type of fractions we call it as a decimal fractions. If you have given any fraction, you can convert that fraction in the form of the decimal forms. Such type of numbers, by converting such type of numbers, we call it as a decimal numbers. Here, this one you can write it as 0.5, right? Because here in the denominator 10 is there. Starting from the right, you need to count one number, and before that you need to keep the point. Similarly here, what is the number is there in the numerator, which is 25, and check in the denominator how many zeros are there. Since here 2 zeros are there, starting from the right, you need to count two numbers. Before that, you need to keep the decimal point. 1, 2, here you will get the decimal point. So, you can write the number, if the denominator is in the form of the multiples of 10, such type of numbers we call it as a decimal numbers. Now, here, let us see here how to expand the decimal numbers. You know that if you consider here the number 123, how do we expand to? In the lower classes we have already studied. If you want to expand this number, you need to multiply the respective places with their place values. So here this one is the ones place, this is tens place, and this is the hundred place. So if you want to expand, what you will do here, you will multiply this place value with the respective digit places. So that you will get here, which is this one, you can write as 100 into 1 plus 10 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Like that we will expand if you have given a number. Suppose if you have given a decimal number, suppose on writing this number as 123.24. If you have given like this, here this decimal point dividing this number into two parts, which is 123 and 24. The left side part you will have to write as a multiples of 10. Because here you can write this one as 10 power 1. You know that 10 power 1 is nothing but 1. So here this is nothing but you are getting here 10 power 1, right? So sorry 1. 10 power 0 is 1. You know that 10 power 0 is nothing but 1, because anything to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. So in place of 1 we have written here 10 power 0. Since here the base here we took it here 10. So here this 10 power 0, this is 10 power 1, remember this 10 power 2. That means here if you consider the left side of the decimal point, you are getting the numbers as a multiples of 10. And if you are going to the right side, so how you will write? Just write it here plus 2 into 1 by 10. You have to write in the form of the fraction, which is this is 1 by 10 part and this is 1 by 100 part. So here this one you can write it as 4 into 1 by 100. Like that you have to expand. So if you add all these numbers, you will get this number. Right? You can check it here. 100 into 1 which gives you 100, 10 into 2 which gives you 20, 3 into 1 which is 3, and here this is 2 by 10 which is nothing but 0.2, and here 4 by 100 which is nothing but 0.04. So you know that 100 plus 20 which is 120, 120 plus 3 which is 123, 123 plus 0.2 which is 123.2, 123.2 plus 0.04 which gives to 123.24. So we have expanded. So like this you need to expand the decimal number. Let us see here one more. Suppose if you want to expand the number 23.56. So let us write the place values. This is the ones place, tens place, 1 by 10th place and 1 by 100th place. So multiply with their respective place values and add. You will get 10 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 5 into 1 by 10 or 1 by 10 into 5 plus 1 by 100 into 6. This is the expansion of the decimal numbers. Now see here, the next one they have given here the comparison of the decimal numbers. How do you compare two decimal numbers? Consider here some number 14.63 and 14.84. If you want to compare these numbers, comparison is nothing but you need to say which number is a greater number or which number is a smaller number, whether they are equal, greater or less. This is nothing but the comparison. Here, if you have given these two decimal numbers, how do you compare these two decimal numbers? Here, you need to check here the left part of the decimal point first. Here you can observe that 14 is there, here also 14 is there, so we cannot compare. Now, go for the right side part of the decimal point. Here 6 is there, here 8 is there. And you know that here 6 is the greater number compared to that of the 6. 8 is the greater number compared to that of the 6. So you can state it here 14.63 is less than 14.84. Like that you need to compare the two decimal numbers. Suppose if you have given here 20.14 and consider here 19.38. If you want to compare these numbers, so you need to check here the left side of the decimal point. What is the number is there? Here 20 is there, here 19 is there. Clearly you know that 20 is the greater number. So we can say that here 20.04 is greater than 19.38. So if you have given any decimal numbers, first you need to check the left side of the decimal point, and if both are equal then we will go for the right side of the decimal point. This is the, like this you need to compare two decimal numbers. Now see the next page here, page number 10. You have given here the addition of decimals. How do you add two decimal numbers? How do you multiply two decimal numbers? And how to divide two decimal numbers. These things they have given here. Now see here. How to add two decimal numbers. Let us consider two decimal numbers. It is very easy that we add the decimal numbers. Consider here 16.24 and here consider some 18.13. Suppose if here if you want to add these two decimal numbers, you need to add here the right side of the decimal point. What are the numbers that is there on the right side of the decimal point? Here 24 and 13 are there, so you need to add those first. So here what is the value of 4 plus 3 which is 7, and what is the value of 2 plus 3 which is 2 plus 1 which is 3, and here what is the value of 6 plus 8 which is 14, 1, and what is the value of 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is 3. Like that you need to add. Just normal addition. First you need to add this side and after that you will go for this side. Like this you need to add two decimal numbers. And suppose let us consider here some number if you want to add add 18.26 and 20.94. So how to add? First add here 6 plus 4 which gives you 10 and 1, and here 9 plus 1 which is 10, 10 plus 2 which is 12. So here that 1 you have to write it here and 2 you need to keep it here. 12. Here 2, here you need to take it here 1. So here what you get? 8 plus 1 which is 9 and 2 plus 1 which is 3. So what you are getting the answer 39.20. This one you can write it as 39.2. Both are same. Here 0.20 or 0.2 both are same, and after the decimal point if you have any 0 you can remove that one and you can write like this. 39.20 is nothing but 39.2. Like this you have to add two decimal numbers. Now see here how to subtract two decimal numbers. Same process you need to follow. Just you need to subtract here. Let us take one more example to do that one. Here consider 18.64 minus, consider here some number 14.03. If you want to subtract these numbers, so just subtract the left side of the decimal point. What you will get here? 4 minus 3 which is 1, 6 minus 0 which gives you 6, and 8 minus 4 which is 4, 1 minus 1 which is 0. So you are getting here 0.04.61, and this one you can write it as 4.61. Both are same. You can remove that one. 0.04 or 4 is nothing but the same. Here it is a single digit number. Here also it is a single digit number. If before 0 is there is no need to come. So you can write that one as 4.61. It is about the subtraction of the decimal numbers. Now let us see how to multiply two decimal numbers. Suppose if you want to multiply 0.4 into 0.3. Here how do you multiply if you have given two decimal numbers? So here first let us forget the decimal points. So if you forgot or if you leave the decimal points, what you can observe here, there will be a number such that it is there here 4 into 3, right? So first let us do this one. What is the value of 4 into 3? Which is 12. Now check it here. After the decimal point, how many numbers are there in the given decimal numbers? Here after the decimal point, here one number is there, and here after the decimal point one more number is there. Total two numbers are there after the decimal point. So here in this answer you need to go here 2 steps to the right, and before you need to keep the decimal point. So here 1 and 2 which gives you here 0.14. This is the value of 0.4 into 0.3. How to multiply two decimal numbers? Leave the decimal point and write the numbers and find the product of those numbers, and after that check in the given decimal numbers after the decimal point how many numbers are there, and in the answer just go from the right and count that many numbers to the right, so that keep the decimal point so that you will get the answer. Like this you can do, or otherwise you can write this one in the form of the fraction, and like that also you can do. Let us see that one also. If you want to find this number, here this one, you know that you can write this one as 4 by 10, right? Here because after the decimal point one number is there, so you can write it here this one as 4 by 10. Similarly this one you can write it as 3 by 10. Now you know how to multiply two fractions. You need to multiply the numerators and you have to multiply the denominators. So what is the value of 4 into 3 which is 12, and what is the value of 10 into 10 which is 100. So you will get here 12 by 100. Now here check in the denominator how many zeros are there. Since in the denominator 2 zeros are there, in the numerator starting from the right count 2 numbers. So here 12 is there, 1, 2, before you need to keep it here the decimal point. The same answer we got like this also. You can convert this one either the fractions, or you can forget the decimal point and multiply the numbers, and In any of the way, you can calculate the product of the two decimal numbers. Let us see here one more example. Consider here 12.1.2 into 0.4. Again, here if you want to find the product of these two decimal numbers, so just leave the decimal point. After leaving the decimal point, what are the numbers you can identify here? Here 12 is there, right? And here 0.4 is nothing but 4. So here 4 is there. Now take the product of these values. 12 4s are 48. So here write it here 48. And after that, count after the decimal point how many numbers are there. So here after the decimal point, here one number is there, here one more number is there. Total 2 numbers are there. So starting from the right, count 2 numbers and before keep the decimal point. So here 1, 2, here keep the decimal point so that you are getting the answer which is 1.2 into 0.4 as 0.48. Like that you can multiply if you have given 2 decimal numbers. Let us see here one more example. Suppose here if you want to multiply 2.5 into 2.5. So again if you want to multiply, so leave the decimal point and write the numbers what is there here, which is 25, and here also 25. And find the product of 25 into 25. You know that 25 into 25 is nothing but 625. Now count after the decimal point how many numbers are there? 1, 2. So starting from the right, count 2 numbers 1 and 2 before keep it here the decimal point, which gives you the answer which is 2.5 into 2.5 is equal to 6.25. Like that you have to multiply 2 decimal numbers. Now see here the next one, which is the division of decimal numbers. How to divide 2 decimal numbers? So again consider the numbers. Let us see here 0.2 divided by 0.3. So here how to divide if you have given 2 decimal numbers. Now this one you can write in the form of the fraction. So this one you can write it as 2 by 10, right? Because after the decimal point one number is there. And similarly this one you can write it as 3 by 10. Now you can change the operation division into multiplication. So here before for that changing you need to write the reciprocal of the next fraction. So here this one you can write it as 2 by 10 into, in place of division we are writing here multiplication. For that reason you need to write the reciprocal of this number. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 10? Which is 10 by 3. Now here you know that here 10 and 10 will get cancelled. You will get here the answer which is 2 by 3. Clearly you can observe that 0.2 and 0.3. This is the one first method, or otherwise if you take here 0.2 and 0.3. If you want to divide these two numbers you can write it as 0.2 by 0.3. Since here after the decimal point here one number is there, here also one number is there. If it is having like that, you can remove this decimal points or you can write directly this. The answer is 2 by 3. Suppose if you have given here some number 2.4 divided by 1.2. Here if you want to divide these two decimal numbers here, so first checking here after the decimal point how many numbers are there. Here one number is there, here also one number is there. So you can remove the decimal point so that you can write this one as 24 by 12, which is nothing but you are getting the answer which is 2. Suppose if you are having here 2.41 and if you are dividing this number with 1.2, you cannot remove the decimal point because here after the decimal point here 2 numbers are there and here after the decimal point one number is there. If both are equal, then only we can remove the decimal point and you can directly divide the given numbers. Now see here one more example. divided by 2.5. So how to divide? First let us write this one in the form of the fraction. 625 divided by, since after the decimal point two numbers are there, in the denominator keep it here 2 zeros. Now again this number you can write it as 25 by, here after the decimal number how many numbers are there? One number is there, so you can keep it here 1 0. Now here division is there. If you want to change this division into multiplication, you need to write the reciprocal of this number. So write it here 625 divided by 100 into, what is the meaning of reciprocal? Just changing the numerator into the denominator and denominator into the numerator. So you will get here 10 by 25. Just we are taking the reverse. 25 and then we are writing here 10 by 25 because we have changed here the division into the multiplication. So here you know that here 0 0 will get cancelled and here 25 and you know that 25 625, so you will get here 25 and what you are getting here 25 by 10. This one you can write it as 2.5. Like this you need to divide two decimal numbers. In this session we have discussed here what are the decimal numbers and how to add and how to subtract and how to multiply and how to divide two decimal numbers. In the next session we are going to discuss about the rational numbers.